How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here, and I'm here at Jumbo Electronics in Mall of the Emirates in the UAE, checking out the DSF deals that are going on for a variety of electronics here. And today I've got myself the Lenovo Yoga Creator 7. As you can see, it's got this nice gradient finish on the box at the back. And this is what the box from the front looks like. It's got this matte finish when you open it up. And once you open it up, you find yourself the laptop. Now we're going to put the laptop off to the side and talk a bit about what else is included out of the box. The first thing that's included right in this box is the setup guide for anyone who's looking to get started. Now this laptop is aimed for creative professionals out there, and that's why the specifications on the laptop are also that way. And aside from all of these things that you get inside the box, you also get the charging connector and the charging cable. And one of the unique aspects about the charging mechanism on this laptop is the fact that you can get up to 3 hours of usage on a laptop in just a 15-minute charge cycle, which is excellent for people who want to work on the go. Okay, so this is the laptop. We're going to take it out of the sleeve for a closer look. To be honest, it looks very sleek, and this is a color finish that is quite unique to the Yoga series. This is what they call the dark moss color finish, and as soon as I've looked into it, I think I'm a really big fan of it. Off to the left side, you find yourself the power connector, the HDMI 2.0 port, as well as a Type-C USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack for those people who want to use this laptop with headphones. And I know creatives will want to do that for sure. On the right side, you find yourself the power button, as well as two Type-A USB ports and a full-size SD card slot, which is great for those people who, let's say, deal with a lot of footage and they deal with a lot of SD cards. So all they can do is pretty much plug it in right to the laptop and get started with all of their work without having to use any extra dongles whatsoever with this laptop. Okay, so now that I've got the Creator 7 opened up right here, you can actually judge the sheer scale of the laptop. It's a 15.6-inch panel on the front, IPS LCD, 300 nits, but also 100% sRGB coverage, which for anyone who deals with a lot of video or, let's say, photo work, is an excellent panel. It's got great viewing angles, as you can see, and inside the laptop is also some great deal of specifications. Now, it's a 1.8 kilogram chassis, but inside you're looking at an Intel Core i7 10th generation processor. It's a 10750H processor, and it's coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM, as well as the NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU, which for anyone who deals with gaming, deals with multitasking, video editing, creating, is the perfect combination. Plus, you get Dolby Atmos powered speakers, so you're covered for multimedia consumption, whether that's movie watching, YouTube videos, or rewatching the footage that you've created. And if you want to converse with anyone or deal or collaborate with anyone, you also get a webcam, so you can go ahead and go to your meetings, attend your work calls, etc., all without needing any extra peripherals. Speaking of calls and connectivity, of course, you get Wi-Fi coverage, you get Bluetooth, but that camera in general also supports Windows Hello authentication for your security, and it doesn't take that much space on the front, which is a really good thing. You look at the display and the display only, and I think that is one of the key aspects for anyone who's looking for a creative laptop. You also get a nice keyboard on the front with a number pad and a fairly tactile mouse pad. So that is a look at the Lenovo Yoga Creator 7 laptop. It's available at Jumbo Electronics exclusively for 5,799 dirhams this DSF, and you get a ton of offers with it. You get 25% off at either Ferrari World or Warner Brothers. You also get 6 months entertainer, a VIP privilege to dine out or take advantage of a lot of services around the UAE. And you also get a chance to be entered in a raffle draw where you can win up to 1 kilogram of gold if you were to purchase this thing for 5,799 dirhams. Of course, at Jumbo, you also get Jumbo Salama, next day delivery, express delivery. So if you want the best deals out there, make sure you shop at Jumbo Electronics.